वेट वेट
इसका गिग्स और गिग्स 90 डेज में डीएसए कंप्लीट करना।
और उसको प्लेसमेंट लगी थी भाई क्या यार?
किसको?
वो एक नहीं था कि डीएसए क्या रोज सॉल्व कर रहा था, और वो 90 दिन में उसका चैलेंज खत्म होने से पहले उसको प्लेसमेंट लगी, क्योंकि वर्किंग पब्लिक कर रहा था ना,
मतलब
लर्न इन पब्लिक कर रहा था ना, मतलब उसने कम्युनिटी पे बेस बढ़ा ली उसकी, और रिक्रूटर तो समझ भी गया इसको नॉलेज है, क्योंकि वो सीखते सीखते वो एक्सप्लेन भी करता था कि ये कंसेप्ट ऐसा है, ये कंसेप्ट ऐसा है, इससे ये होता। तो फिर वो तो बोला इंटरव्यू की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी मेरे को, डायरेक्ट उसको हायर कर दिया। अच्छा खासा पैकेज था उसको। करने का तू करना है यार, तू तो टैलेंटेड है। हेलो गाइस, सो वी आर बैक टुडे। I know no one will watch this stream, but still, today we are learning C sharp language. As you know, I haven't gotten placed yet, so I need a job.
60 days placement.
This is 60 days placement journey of me and Mr.
अब
Mahek
मैं
Bhartiya.
रूम का नाम बोले 5
503 Nivrutti Heights. If you wanna meet us,
सबके लिए तो डालना अपनी डिस्क्रिप्शन में।
सबकी आईडी डाल दूंगा बाद में।
डे ऑफ इंजीनियर, डे ऑफ इंजीनियर।
आधे डे ऑफ इंजीनियर है गाइस, इसमें खाली महक भारतीय फुल स्टैक डेवलपर है,
तू भी तो मुझसे कर परिचय।
और मैं पाइथन डेवलपर हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा, और मैं आज सीखने वाला हूँ व्हाट इज डेटा टाइप। ओके, मैं इंग्लिश में सिखाएंगे, मतलब कैसा अपना इंग्लिश भी पढ़ पाओगे ना। सो वी आर रेफरिंग दिस चैनल for our content. It's called Shiva Gautam sir. This is Shiva Gautam sir. He teaches very well. Today is our third lecture. So what we have learned till today, I'll explain you now. Wait. Is it visible? वो सर सर जैसा नहीं क्या वो इसमें कोरोना में थे। am I visible to you guys? Yes you are. Look guys, this is the all theory notes I have written here. First, what is .NET? Before starting .NET, I thought it was a programming language. Until yesterday, I got to know that it is not a programming language. It is a platform. So as you can see, .NET is not a programming language. It is a platform. And we use C sharp language in the .NET platform to code.
नहीं देखा अभी तो।
First I thought that .NET is a programming language, but nah, I was a fool. So we use C sharp language, which is identical to Java or C++ language. Like its structure is like Java or C++, and it is a object oriented based programming language like Java, like written here. It is specially designed to create .NET based applications. The C sharp language is only used to create .NET based applications, and it is my first program, hello world program.
तो
So
लाइव तो
here
आता है नहीं ऊपर।
मैंने दूसरे चैनल पे आया, मैं YTG आयुष पे,
आईटी
YTG आयुष. So here we can see I declared a class named hello, and then this curly braces, and then this public static void main. So you guys, you have to remember that it is not important to write public here. Like you can skip it, you can only write static void main, it will be fine. But if you want to write it, you write it or you don't. I wrote it public static void main, and consider one thing, that main, of main should be always capital main. And then I have written the system.console.writeLine, and this hello world program, and the indentation is for line breaking. So system is our namespace, console is our class line, and WriteLine is our method. And I have written here some little notes which I thought may be useful in the future. कोई तो देख रहा है मेरे को कोई तो देख रहा है मेरे को,
मैं अभी आया
तो है क्या? Okay, so extension for C sharp language, like for HTML language we have .html, for Python we have .py, just like that. The extension for C sharp language codes is .cs. Example, like if I save this code, class hello code, it would be like hello.cs. Okay, so CSC means C sharp compiler. Like अरे hello एक बात है. How are you doing brother? As you can see, unlike other languages which is like source code, and then we after we compile it get converted to machine code. It's not in this C sharp language. It's little different. Like we have a source code, we then compile it using the CSC C sharp compiler. Then that source code gets converted into the MSLI code, MSIL code. That is Microsoft interpreted language code. Okay, and then after we execute it using the .exe file, then that code converts to the machine code. Okay, so you can read it here. To compile any file on the prompt, use the file name and .exe. Example hello.exe. First we have to use this command csc dot your file name, then hello.exe, like file name and then extension. But first we need to compile it using the csc command. Okay, let's go to the next page, which I learned yesterday. Yesterday. Okay.
लाइन में
What is C sharp? So C sharp is type shape object oriented language. Okay. Type shape means, you can see here I have written supports data types. Means this language supports data types. Okay. Enables developers to build a variety of secure and example desktop, mobile, web applications. It was developed by Microsoft within the .NET framework. Okay. अब क्या है इसमें डिज़ाइन गोल्स. अब ये तो मैंने जैसा वैसा लिखे हुआ है, सो यू कैन सी एंड यू कैन रीड इट. तू क्यों देख रहा, तू तेरी पढ़ाई कर रहा था मतलब के. Sorry guys, sorry for that. Sorry. History, I've just written one line here. It was created in 1999 by this genius whose name is Anders Hessel something Hasselberg. ये तो दारू रहते ना, Heisenberg. It was created in 1999 by Anders Heisenberg. Features, now we can see very similar syntax to C++, Java. Syntax is highly expressive. There are some key features of this language, which is nullable value type, which means it manages the null types like int, var. Okay. Then enumeration means it helps to create constant set. Then delegates like event handling. Then lambda expressions, direct memory access. You can search it as you like. Then there are some advantages. The first advantages is interoperability. It means that using code, libraries, or APIs written outside .NET framework like C hash or native OS APIs directly inside a C sharp application. It means that हाँ C sharp पण म्हणू C sharp म्हणलो C sharp application. Okay guys, interoperability means you can access the libraries, codes or APIs
पकड़ के रखना
outside the C sharp.
स्टैंड बना, उसको टेढ़ा कर दे,
वो नहीं हो रहा ना, वो इस पे ये आ रहा ना. हाँ वो वापस से. ओके हो गया. Then second advantage is ease of use. Syntax allows for users familiar with C++ or Java to easily start coding C++ very rapidly. Now this is very important topic here, which I'm gonna show you. The applications, I'll just read it for you. So C sharp programs can run on the .NET framework, which is an integral component of Windows that include a virtual execution system called Common Language Runtime. Likewise, C sharp programs run on a unified set of class libraries as well. This is nothing, but this is the very important. This is very important, guys. You should remember it. This is very important. C sharp आई थी क्या आपने वो कभी एग्जाम में? कभी नहीं. Diploma for diploma students, it is very important. This is a source code relationship, like how the code travels in the C sharp language. First we have C sharp source files and some resources references. Then the C sharp compiler, which converts that C source file into the MSIL file. As you can see here, MSIL file I have written here. CSC, the C sharp compiler compiles this source code into a MSIL file. Okay. After compilation, we get MSIL code, which is stored in the .exe file. Okay. So first the CSC file, then .exe file. Then after it's compiles the after executing the .exe file, we get the machine code. Okay, we get the machine code, and which is given to the operating system. That's it. That's my today's work. Now I am learning it. I'll teach you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye.